So it's 10 o'clock now, and we've arrived at Basingstoke, and we're going out backwards. It feels like going out backwards. Drivers, let's turn around. Yeah. 10:20 and arrived at Reading. So that's taken about an hour and a quarter to get to here from Waterloo. Normally it would take about 25 minutes from Paddington. So we're now going out the other way. It's just gone 10:30.
Pardon?
Just gone 10:30.
What time do we get there?
Just gone 12.
Últimas cosas, sí.
Goes out to the left via Exeter Central. And when we go to St James's Park, huh? Yeah, when we get back to the
We might be able to get some
oh yeah, plenty of time to do that. Not that, there's a supermarket just outside Exeter St David's.
Oh, is there?
So we've got to go in this side this time. So we need to cross over. Oh, that's a Ford Anglo estate. On time. So here comes the 236 to, oh, it's got more than, it's got 4 carriages, this one. This one's going to take us to St James's Park. After you. Newcourt. This station wasn't here last time I came here.